this morning kasi nga isang napakaganda at parang musical morning ang meron tayo dahil we're lucky to have the Dubai duty-free Nightingales, diba? Guest natin today. And of course, aside from the choir itself, nandito rin si Miss Shelley Frost, who's from the Fridge Entertainment and the founder of ChoirFest Middle East, as well as Bernard Aquino, marketing from Dubai Duty Free, and ang chairman.
Chairman!
At sa tingin ko, di ba, ang nag-lead dito sa napakagaling nga na choir na group na to, si Kenneth Papauran from Dubai Duty Free Nightingale. Good morning!
Good morning!
Everyone. Ayan, thank you for coming to our show. Okay, so Shelley, we want to ask you the question, when did the ChoirFest Middle East start, and can you give us a brief background about it?
Yeah, great. Hello, everyone. The ChoirFest Middle East started 7 years ago, and it celebrates choral music within the region, and it is for everybody from the age of 6 years old to 75 years old or older.
Okay.
There are no restrictions. So we did workshops and competitions with 2,500 school children during the end of February, adult choirs, regional choirs coming from Syria and Jordan, and then corporate choirs that take part, of which Dubai Duty Free Nightingales is a leading corporate choir.
It's like an elite group.
It really is. And they have performed incredibly at ChoirFest during the years, and it's an incredible testament to their hard work and dedication that they took to Dubai Opera Stage this year with the trophy of the best a cappella song from the entire region.
Wow! And that's
Which is really
Dubai
something.
Opera, ha? Yeah. So parang ka-level nyo talaga, parang si Lea Salonga.
Yes,
O, ganun
agree.
level. Oo. But I wanna ask Bernard, yun nga, yung parang, is it a fairy tale story on how Dubai Duty Free Nightingale started?
Actually, we first joined in 2014. That was the second year of the ChoirFest Middle East.
Okay.
Unfortunately, we didn't win on our first time. But then after that, the following year, our success journey continued to go strength from strength. So we won in 2015 the Best Corporate Choir.
Oh.
Actually, thrice already, 2015, 2017, and 2018. And then in
Diba?
2016...
Iba yun. Oo.
Thank you.
Three-peat.
And then in 2016, we won the most dynamic choir. And then for this year, we won the best a cappella performance.
Oh, wow.
So, pesa mga sinasabi niyo, sobrang busy kayo eh. So, how about the schedules of work niyo? Well, we're here working in Dubai or the whole of the Emirates. Any problem in scheduling of your practices and work?
Ayan, tanong natin yung chairman. Oo,
Oh,
may
because
mga
the one-
pasaway ba
Yeah,
sa
he's the one
choir
preparing
group?
the schedule for the choir.
Yeah, for the scheduling, it's quite challenging for us as well because every day we do have 5 different shifts. That would be we call it as daily morning, where all of the staffs are just working daily morning from Sunday till Thursday, and we do have 4 shifts in the airport, which is they're doing 2 mornings, 2 afternoons, 2 nights, and after that
Wow.
will be 2 off. And that schedule is divided into 4. That's A, B, C, and D. So we actually do have quite difficulty in fixing the schedule, but we still manage to find a way to have some rehearsals every day. Like weekdays, we have 4 hours of rehearsal. In weekends, we do have 5 to 6 hours. And also, since it is a schedule, scheduling related to the shop floor, we really appreciate the the support from our management, which is they're the ones who's continuously approving the exceptions of the schedules that we have for them. That's why we are lucky to be part of Duty Free and also
Correct.
to be part of Nightingale.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
It all boils down to yun nga, yung support system na meron kayo,
Exactly.
especially nung company nyo rin, di ba?
Exactly.
Tsaka, di ba sabi nga nila, pag gusto, maraming paraan, pag ayaw,
Maraming dahilan.
Oh, galing mo, Keri Belle!
Oo, di ba? Kaya hindi pwedeng maraming mga reasons. So, titingin kayo parang you're busy, but then again, because you guys wanna thrive nga nga na parang to give your best. At
Yeah.
ito, look what happened, 'di ba? Dun sa tawag nito, paghihirap nyo, 'di ba? Ang bunga naman nagbigay kayo ng karangalan sa ating mga Pilipino dito sa ibang bansa.
Yes, exactly. And also, regarding the nationality, we actually do have one Chinese. Actually, there are
Yeah,
two.
so this year we have two
Yeah,
Chinese.
for this year we have two Chinese. We have we have Jessie and Shireen just unfortunately sick for today.
Okay.
And these girls are actually like challenged to sing songs, Filipino songs.
Yeah.
And we also asked them to sing Arabic song, which is the national anthem of Dubai, because we sang in the tennis championship.
Yeah, in the
Oh,
closing-
yes.
In the
Yes.
closing ceremony of the
So these girls are really amazing.
So about sa songs pala, like sa grupo niyo, ano kadalasan? What type of songs na ipe-perform niyo? Like English, Filipino, or...
Okay, so we are actually I call it as crazy songs. It's not the usual songs that people are listening on the radio. It's a type of song that most of the time sounds like a tribey, theme. It sounds like nature, sounds like an old way on how to sing a song.
Okay.
Yes, it's something that is really I call it unusual.
Okay, pero it worked.
Yes.
Diba?
It works.
For you guys at pati dun sa mga kasama mo sa choir. So, ako naman gusto ko malaman, no, ano ba yung mga learnings? Kasi you have different types of different personalities to sa loob sa choir. Someone would be, alam mo yun, paano mo na balance, 'di ba? As the chairman, 'di ba? Kasi mahirap talaga pag group talaga meron yung mga strong in personality, meron yung ito yung gusto
Yes.
kong gawin. So,
I agree.
how do you maintain balance and at the same time na parang you all come up with one whole parang decision as a group?
It's as I've said to them every time that we're having a huddle, it's actually difficult to handle people who is actually most of us are like good in what we're doing. It's really hard. That's why we just meet halfway. What is the purpose of us being here? It's music, and that's it. And then most of the time we manage to like how do you say it?
compromise.
Yeah, compromise the differences because of our love for music.
Oo. So there's no I in team.
No.
Oo, talagang isang buo yung ano nila. So, ilang taon na kayo magkakasama sa Dubai Duty Free Nightingales?
6 years.
Okay, so 6
6
years.
Yung sa 6 years yan, sabay? Or like first year, 10, may ganon-ganon?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Every year we're adding people in our group. Where there's some who's actually like decided to relax for a moment, so they'll be replaced with a new
Okay.
member, and then they will decide to come back again. That's why Nightingale is open to everyone.
Pero every year, meron ba kayong minimum or maximum numbers, number of members?
The maximum is 30.
Yeah, 20
Yeah.
to 30. Yeah.
20 to
But as much as
30.
possible, we try to diversify the members
Okay.
because has not to be only pure
Filipinos.
Filipinos. So we invite other nationalities as well.
Yeah,
Oo,
because,
pasensya na kasi magagaling talaga tayo kumanta.
Okay, we understand that.
Excuse me,
Sinama ko
nakitayo siya.
Sinama ko sa dito. Yeah, I told them na, I'm so
Sample,
sorry.
sample,
Because, we
sample.
Filipinos are really good when it comes to singing.
Sample,
Sing.
sample.
Can I just hum na lang? Okay, so doon naman sa mga like nagbabalak nga to form their own corporate choir or corporate group then, what advice can you give them? Oo, lalo na nung, I'm sure, di ba? Naku, mamaya maririnig nyo kung gaano kagaling talaga itong Dubai Duty Free Nightingales. Pero anong ma-advise nyo doon sa mga upcoming din at gusto rin mag-form ng kanilang sariling choir group or corporate choir?
Just have patience. Patience is always really a virtue to every group starting or a group that's already like been together for so long. Patience because you'll be handling different people, especially like us. We will be not just different people. We're dealing with different nationalities, with different mindsets. So patience really is a virtue for us. And I think that will help other groups as well.
Pero how about those na interesado sa grupo nyo, nasasali?
They should be duty-free staff first.
Okay.
That's the first criteria.
Yeah, and Shelley, do you want to add?
Yeah, I can say I think that's really good advice. And to any group that's starting out where they'd really like to find their way, they can reach out to ChoirFestME.com. Email us and we can really help. We could send in a conductor, help with repertoire choice, help to put together how you should rehearse, what sort of time, to come and give Dubai duty-free Nightingales a run for their money next year.
There's nothing wrong with competition.
Exactly.
Healthy competition.
The benefits of singing in the workplace, I think, is what these guys can bear testament to. And I think, as you've said in your case, Dubai Duty Free really recognise what it means to you and what it means, I think, for them to have happy people that are motivated. And
Yes.
so hopefully more employees out there will follow that example. and
Yes, so dun sa mga nalulungkot, ayan, why don't you start singing and start the, 'di ba? Magbuo na rin kayo ng group.
Choir group, yes.
At syempre kanina pa tayo nag-i-interview. Ang dami siguro nagsasabi, sige na, parinig nga ng sample.
Kami naman dalawa.
Sample naman sa kanilang winning piece ng ating Dubai Duty Free Nightingales. Pwede ba namin marinig?
Sure.
Ayan. Sige.
Sure.
Ano bang title ng inyong winning
Wait.
piece?
It's Rosas Pandan. It's a Filipino Cebuano song.
Okay. So, mga katag, ayan, pakinggan naman natin ang sample ng winning group na Dubai Duty Free Nightingales.
Is there an effects for claps?
Andiyan si Rosas Pandan, di kambay tawag sa kabukiran. Ang inyong makikumanuman sa ulo ng kalinawan. Balita na yakong puhunan, nawa'y kabilig sa pinikawan. Awit na labing karaan, nagarbo sa atong kabunturan. Tigiding, 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 ay sa kong balitaw. Manindot pa masayaw, ayaw mo ng kabugnaw. Tigadong, 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 intaw sa sidudong nagtanaw, kang inday, nagtabisay ang laway. Ay, 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 sa kong balitaw. Manindot pa masayaw, ayaw mo ng kabugnaw. Tigadong, 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 intaw sa sidudong nagtanaw, kang inday, nagtabisay ang laway. La 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 la. Andiyan si Rosas Pandan, di kambay tawag sa kabukiran. Yan inyong makikumanuman sa ulo ng kalinawan. Balita na yakong buhunan, nawa'y kabilig sa pinikawan. Awit na labing karaan, nagarbo sa atong kabunturan. Tigiling, 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 ay sa kong balitaw. Manindot pa masayaw, nayaw mo ng kabugnaw. Tigadong, 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 intaw sa sidudong nagtanaw, kang inday, nagtabisay ang laway. Ay, 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 ay.
Ayan, narinig nga natin ang kakanalo pa lang na Best in A Capella group na Dubai Duty Free Nightingales. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Thank you for coming. And of course, we would like to thank also Miss Shelley Frost, the founder of ChoirFest Middle East, for joining us, as well as Bernard Aquino, is the marketing of Dubai Duty Free. And syempre, napaka-talented na si Kenneth Papauran. Ayan, ang chairman ng Dubai Duty Free Nightingales. Ayan, parang gusto ko tuloy sumali.
Hindi, magham ka na lang. Sabi ko. Again, maraming salamat sa inyo.
Okay, again, thank you very much for
Salamat.
coming.
Thank you.
Tigadong itaw sa sidudong nagtanaw kang inday nagtabis sayang laway ay